Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknathrav Kharse Talent English Middle School, Muktinagar. So, dear students, we have already completed many lessons. So, in this session, we are going to learn a beautiful poems. The poem name is Rain, which is came from the Marigold textbook of second standard, and the poem name is from Unit 4th, and the poem name is Rain. So, my dear students, before we starting the poems, just I make a question for you. How many students are interested for waiting the rain? I hope maximum students are like to roam under the rain, isn't it? Everybody like the raining. So, regarding the rain, we are going to recite a beautiful poem. The poem name is Rain. So, first of all, I am going to recite the poems. Then after you recite. I think I have already given this poem in the previous as a activity, isn't it? So, I hope you might have created some different type of lyrics. So, I hope we can understand for that. Okay. So, first things, I will recite the poems, right? The rain is running all around. It falls on field and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ship at the sea. So, the poet, the Robert Louis Stevenson, he himself is saying that the rain is falling, the rain is raining all around. Means what one thing, in one area some place will fall or some place won't fall. Is it possible? जो रेन होती है हर जगह पे गिरता, कि कुछ जगह छोड़ के और कुछ जगह में गिरने लगा क्या ऐसा? समझो हमारे स्कूल सराउंड में रेन होता रहता, तो स्कूल में ही रेन गिरता, फिर ग्राउंड में नहीं गिरेगा, ऐसा होगा क्या कभी भी? Never. So the rain falling around all over the places. The rains falling all over the places. That is, next it fell on field and tree. और क्या? Rain खेतों में गिरेगा, पेड़ों के ऊपर गिरेगा, छत के ऊपर गिरेगा, किसी का ऊपर भी गिरेगा. There is no restriction. ऐसा कुछ restriction है क्या? रेन को गिरने के लिए? नहीं, हमारे खेत में गिरना, दूसरा खेत में नहीं गिरना, हमारे घर के ऊपर ही गिरना, दूसरे में नहीं गिरना. इज देयर एनी कंडीशन? नथिंग एल्स. कुछ भी कंडीशन नहीं है इसमें. सो बारिश हर जगह पे गिरने का, हर जगह पे, इन द वर्ल्ड वेर एवर इट विल रेन. डिफरेंट. इट रेन ऑन द अम्ब्रेला हियर. मैं जो छतरी पकड़ के है, मेरी अम्ब्रेला ऊपर भी गिरेगा. और एंड ऑन द शिप्स एट द सी. और समुद्र में जो शिप है वो शिप ऊपर भी गिरेगा. द पोएट इज सेइंग. ओके. सो बारिश एक चीज, वो सारी चीज ऊपर गिरेगा. इसमें कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्शन है, उसको कुछ मतलब इट डजंट हैव एनी रेस्ट्रिक्शन और डजंट हैव एनी लिमिटेशन. उसको कुछ लिमिटेशन नहीं रहता, कि उसको कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं रहता. बारिश आएगा तो सारे ऊपर गिरेगा और सारे ऊपर. सो एवरीबडी विल एंजॉय द रेनफॉल, इजंट इट? सो लाइक यू द पीपल आर एंजॉइंग द रेनफॉल. सो in this process we are making enjoy the rainfall. Okay. So my dear students, I hope you understand very well that this is very interesting poems which create a more attractive to us. So when you are reading, I hope definitely you little bit can get the attractive point, isn't it? So read the poems. Next sessions we are going to discuss the question and answer. Otherwise I will send you the question and answer and hard words in PPT or PDF files. And next session we are going to discuss the another lessons which is very interesting chapter. So keep watching till my arrival and bye.